Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. We've got some exciting updates for all the Pixel fans out there. A major leak has just surfaced, giving us an early glimpse of Google's upcoming AI-powered experience called Pixel Sense. This new feature could revolutionize the way we interact with our Pixel devices, bringing an even smarter and more personalized experience. If you've been keeping up with Google's AI developments, you might recall discussions from last year about Pixie. It was rumored to be a next-level digital assistant designed exclusively for Pixel smartphones, offering a more intelligent and personalized experience than Google Assistant. It was said to pull data from multiple Google apps to provide highly relevant recommendations. Now, thanks to a fresh report from Android Authority and leaks from the Mystic Leaks Telegram group, we have official confirmation that this assistant will be called Pixel Sense. Google describes it as the most personalized experience tailored to how you use your Pixel. Sounds pretty powerful, right? Pixel Sense is designed to seamlessly integrate with a wide range of Google apps, including Calendar, Chrome, Contacts, Docs, Files, Gmail, Keep Notes, Maps, Messages, Phone, Photos, Recorder, Screenshots, Wallet, YouTube Music, and YouTube. Interestingly, there's also a mention of an unfamiliar app called Aurelius. While its purpose is unclear, it could be an upcoming Google service yet to be announced. Additionally, the setup page refers to YouTube Music as YT Music and YouTube as YouTube, suggesting that the interface is still undergoing refinements. One of the biggest highlights of Pixel Sense is its focus on privacy. Google emphasizes that it processes data directly on the device and even functions offline, ensuring user data remains secure while still delivering smart recommendations. As of now, Pixel Sense is expected to debut alongside the Pixel 10 series later this year. If these leaks hold true, this could be a massive leap for AI-powered smartphones. Of course, we'll be tracking all the latest updates and leaks as they emerge. What do you think about this new AI assistant? Are you excited for Pixel Sense, or do you prefer the current Google Assistant? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Now, shifting gears, let's talk about Google's highly anticipated Pixel 10 series. If you've been waiting for fresh details, we've got some major leaks that give us a closer look at what's coming. The Pixel 10 lineup is shaping up to be more diverse than ever, featuring 4 models: the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. And here's the big reveal: every model, except for the Pixel 10a, has now been spotted in the GSMA database, along with their official model numbers. This crucial leak was uncovered by the team at SmartBricks, and since it originates directly from the GSMA database, it's about as reliable as leaks get. While the Pixel 10a hasn't appeared in the listings just yet, that doesn't necessarily mean it won't launch. There's a strong possibility it might show up in the IMEI database in the coming months, so keep an eye out for that. Here are the confirmed model numbers for the Pixel 10 series. Pixel 10, GLBW0, GL066. Pixel 10 Pro, G4QUR, GN4F5. Pixel 10 Pro XL, GUL82. Pixel 10 Pro Fold, GU0NP. These listings serve as solid proof that Google has officially registered these devices, bringing us one step closer to the Pixel 10 series official launch. The presence of these registrations in the GSMA database indicates that Google is currently in the final stages of securing regulatory approvals for its next-gen smartphones. In other words, this leak practically confirms that the Pixel 10 series is on its way. Are you excited for the Pixel 10 lineup? Which model are you most interested in? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.